do, just don't let it do you. Lead off.
Hey man, look, just because I'm not a dozen on me, I don't know how to do it. I'd probably
Witness the method to my madness. Being broke with no ambition, so unattractive. Silly how we figured the dirty money with.
Damn. Why y'all let this come to the junkyard? I would have bought it. Hood dent. Back fender dent. Anybody need any parts off this jank, man? Let me know. I ain't come out here for this though. Let's keep moving. Yeah. I need all this. Get that. Damn. Oh, this shit look like it's in better shape than my shit, for real. Dashboard. Yeah, I might get all this. It was a grandma car for real. I know I need this. I know I need this. I just need the lock. Really, I need to buy a new one because I ain't got no keys for this shit. Somebody took that chain. Oh, no, he didn't. Alright, here. Already got the hub caps. I just need the center caps. Them bitches going in my pocket. Really need this side fender. I need to figure out how to get these shits off. Get this little back piece off. Got a crack in it. Yeah, this shit cracked up too. Some better shape than mine, but yeah, let me take what I need. Them look like some good wires that was underneath it. Corroded. These janks famous for this shit. Not that I'm taking these, but might grab that exhaust manifold. I swear I think my shit got a fucking crack in it. I might snatch that. Oh shit, look what I found. would work. Let me get to work, start bullshitting. That shit was a little fight. I ended up taking off, or trying to take the door panel off and every fucking thing before I figured that out. It wasn't nothing but these two little screws, then you just kind of pull up on it. I'm gonna go and grab the other one off the other side. And I need to get these mirrors. Yeah, let's keep going. Wonder what the fuck that happened here. In the junkyard already, huh? Let's get the fuck up out of here. Ooh, I see you, George. Yeah. Been around this bitch working. Yeah, this shit is beautiful. This bitch is on the ground. I ain't even realized this bitch had wheels on it. Yeah, I like this. This bitch gonna be nasty. Till they had the digital dash up in here. They got that Dakota box. The motor mounts. Yeah. All right, YouTube, we back at the crib. Trying to change this rear view mirror out. Shit should be a lot easier than what the fuck it is. It's the one that I had. I don't even know if you can really see the cracks in it. But I took this jank to get inspected. It failed, of course. I'm gonna put some new tires on them all the way around. These janks are dry rotted. Change this rear view mirror. Sway bar end links and bullshit. I just changed the valve covers in it last weekend. They had a valve cover gaskets. I mean, let me pop this hood. Then I need to go get a battery. This battery in there ain't shit. One of the cheapest ones you can buy anyway. Got some tags on it too. Got tags on it, insurance on it. Whole nine. Should be ready to hit the road after the day. But yeah, I took the valve covers off, changed the gaskets, cleaned them janks up, put new grommets in. This shit was real simple. If anybody need me to explain that, let me know. For some reason, these pieces is different. Piece that's on the car, and it's the one I got from the junkyard. But this shit actually came from the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. This piece is from the passenger side on the Buick out the junkyard. But it fits, or matches perfectly with the driver's side. So I'm about to cut, splice these, put this one on, and then the new mirror that I got should fit. See, something like that. Go ahead and trimmed them now, ready to splice them. Got some heat shrink on it. Got those ones clipped. Yeah. Alright. Let's get it on now. On now. Let's see if she move. That's good to go. Check out this disappointment. Buick got went to the junkyard for was a 91. My shit is a 91. Stupid ass trim piece. That shit ain't even a match. It's like they changed it. Shit will not go. So the one from the junkyard had these clips. Fuck is that going up there? It's only one little thing, and the one off of my shit. That ain't working. I don't even know if I could finesse this shit somehow. Might even try to cut this or something. Make my own little shit. Who knows? All that for nothing. Waste of fucking time, guys. The only thing I got from the junkyard that fit was that mirror. And these stupid ass ceiling caps. Basically, everything else was trash. And I went ahead and jumped it. Purring like a kitten. Hey, on that note, I got this shit from, I got this jank from Harbor Freight maybe 2 months ago now. This shit is the truth, man. Y'all don't need to go spend $300 on no jump box. I got this jank for like $129. I had like 30% off. I think I paid under $100 for this jank. And I done used it over 100 fucking times already, man. With this, these little cables should plug right up in there. Hey, this jank is the truth. Goodbye. And I ain't even promoted nothing by them. I ain't getting nothing for that. But in case y'all reviewing it, I'll buy another one. But yeah, we ready to go and put some tires on this bitch. See if we can get it past inspection. Put a new battery in it. And I'm riding her ass. Then I'm gonna hop back on that shit, man. That's my daily driver. And this gonna be my daily driver. So that's where we've been at, man. Working on them. Then we're gonna get back to this Chevy very soon. Very, very soon. I got a lot of updates. We still been working, even though I ain't been posting. But I'm gonna come back very soon, give y'all the updates, let y'all know about the machine shops, where I'm at with the motor, whole nine. We almost at 500 subscribers too, man. So if y'all been fucking with your boy and you been hanging in there, I appreciate it. Salute. Y'all the real ones. Get all my shit. This is where we been at though, man. Ain't nothing but a little update. I'll check y'all in the next jank. Work truck been crazy. See, man, I'll be playing, man. We trying to save some money. I got this damn jack shit, $120. Brand new. I ain't even opened the box yet. Work truck for real. Look at my cart back there. I be on the move, man. Ready to go. I'm out.
Hey, it's Steve Harvey, y'all. Here's what happened on the Steve Harvey Morning Show.
Would you rather do hair and makeup at a funeral home